What's up guys, it's Carter from Clarity Auto Details, and in this video I'm just going to be showing you guys basically how to remove pet hair from your car. Now this is no easy task, it's kind of a pain in the butt, but luckily it's pretty simple and it just takes time. So the first couple tools you're going to need is a brush. Now this is the same brush that we use on tires. Obviously it's a different brush than the one we use on tires because carpet and tires, they don't go too well together. But this is our Max Shine carpet and tire brush. Next thing we're going to need is this thing called the Lily brush. As always, I'll have this link down below in the description. But this is called the Lily brush. Basically, it's just a rubber squeegee that's built to be ergonomically correct for, brushing carpet. But basically what you do is you brush it really quickly on the carpet and it builds static, which pulls the hair out of the carpet. And then obviously we're going to need a vacuum too. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the vacuum and we're going to suck up all of this loose dog hair. See, there's loose stuff, and then obviously there's dirt and everything else in the carpet. So let's get to vacuuming. So as you can see, we actually got a large amount of the dog hair out just by vacuuming. So actually brushing and using the Lily brush isn't going to be too terrible. Now it looked like there might have been a little bit more solids in there other than hair, but I don't think there's really a ton. So I'm just going to get to Lily brushing and I'll show you the technique. So basically it's just quickly building static in one area and brushing it in. You're just going to kind of brush or try to brush all of the hair into one area of the carpet. You're just going to brush like this. Now this does obviously take a significant amount of effort and time. So even though you could theoretically just do this yourself, I would recommend just paying one of us, especially because the first couple times, it's a pain in the butt. Now this is useful to learn if you have a dog. You can take this little Lily brush with you to the car wash or wherever you vacuum out your car. And you can use this when you vacuum out your car, which is nice. You see, I've already got to switch arms, but you can see it does do a really good job of getting everything out. All right, there you go. That's the dog hair out. And then the next step, I am just going to go ahead and vacuum this up one more time. And then if there's any crumbs or anything left, then obviously I'm just going to go ahead and use my brush like this and just brush that out. But first things first, we're going to vacuum one more time. Alrighty, so now that it's vacuumed, I'm actually looking at it and it doesn't look too bad. I don't even think we would really necessarily need to brush it out with the carpet brush, but I think I'm going to go ahead and do it because I do see just a little bit of dirt left over. So the technique for this, when you're on floor mats, is to just brush away. But when you're actually in a car, you actually want to do the opposite. You want to brush toward the middle. So if you're inside the car, brush toward the middle. If you're using a floor mat and you're outside of the car with it, brushing away is the better technique. And obviously, try not to let your brush get too dirty because then you're just going to be brushing that crap into the carpet. Okay, so now that the carpet's brushed, what we can go ahead and do is just do one final vacuum and then we'll be all done. All right, guys. So that's it. Carpet's totally clean, and it's free from dog hair, most importantly. So now, all you gotta do is put it back in your car and you're done. In next week's episode, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you watch that one. And I will also have the two products or the two brushes that I used. I'll make sure to put those in the description so that you guys can easily check them out. And stay tuned to the next one. I'll see you guys. Peace.